Hello, welcome to today's narrative analysis section, 15 August 2024. Today, so let's get started with our checklist. So the time we are doing it, we are starting our analysis 9:45. So on my screen recording, yes. Am I using mobile for my analysis? No. So secondary phase execution analysis. No, there is no secondary phase execution analysis because the narrative failed. No, the narrative is still active, but we are we are at the third day. So let's go down and I'm working on removing secondary phase entirely from my system, focusing on the main phase. That's the goal to trade only main phase. I added secondary phase along the line this year after missing some opportunities, I think two or three, and one of those two or two out of three, uh, I could have entered with another main phase, another open phase um, analysis. So done. I'll remove that later. Let's check the economic data for tomorrow. Even though I made some mistakes today, I know very well there will be retail sales news today that do affect the market depending on the actual details that comes out. So it really affects my trade today, and I took a loss because I entered 30 minutes or 15 minutes to the news and my phone. Uh, I was at church, so my phone battery got exhausted and I'm unable to pull the price and break even. So I got stopped out at this level, and on the trade I executed on the 14 got stopped out as well. That also got stopped out. So that so let's continue. Okay, the news for tomorrow. Is there any news happening tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. You can bet there is no serious news tomorrow. Like we have GBP. I'm not trading GBP. The same retail news that happened with EJ today, with US dollar today, be happening with GBP, Great Britain pounds tomorrow. So what else? Since I'm not trading GU, since I'm not trading GU, that's none of my concern. So let's identify narrative setup on EU and EJ. Let's start with EU. So I want to compare previous day price action to today's price action to see if the price will continue in uptrend or downtrend. That's exactly what we want to do. We have a high here, there's no price reaction. There is this high at the close of the Wednesday market, and the price reacted to the high before the price fell here. So that's the narrative for let's go to 15 minutes if there is a double top for us to enter. And if it falls in between the time here, it happened around 8 o'clock. You see this pin bar continue holding for several hours before we had this fall in the market. Before the market fell, before we had that fall in the market. So that is the narrative for us. Let's put it there. That is clean, or super clean rather. Super clean. Let's check. EJ. EJ. Is there anything on EJ for us to work on? I don't want to stress myself too much, but let me just do this. There's a low here. I believe there's a low there. There's another low here. Which the price is unable to react to. So now let's go down to 15 minutes view. There is a proper entry for us to determine that is a good compare. Let's invite this. If you have to ask me, this is say what it is. The data should allow this first bounce in the price break out, then come out again then at this level. So yeah, that was another entry at this spot here. So I don't know what I should call that. But that's a double top there. That's a double top. Ignoring this level here is a double top here. Now let's go back to one now. I don't know everything now. Oh my, everything now looks like a narrative to me. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I'm not sure yet. Everything just looks like a narrative to me. I was checking out this EJ in the afternoon. I I can't find the narrative there. But now it seems like there's a narrative there. What's wrong with my network? It is what it is. I'm saying something here. I'm saying something very clear here. So I have this low here. The low, then the price rejected those levels. Now let's do what? So around 15 minutes. Around 15 minutes. That is double top. Okay. Previous day key level, yes. The key level from previous day can also be confirmed by forming an engulfing candle or pin bar or the next hourly candle the next day. On the first, it's supposed to be first. Which is what happened there. Going back to one say this pin bar also I think something else. There's something here that says there's the eye there. Same level. Same level. It's not overshoot. And no RSI as well. It is normal double top and bottom. Now let's check AJ. This I here. Let's move to 59th. And this double top. That's double top. Double top ignoring this head and shoulder because I no longer trade head and shoulder anymore. So this makes it a valid narrative I will be trading tomorrow. So let's label that. That is super clean. That's super clean. Yeah, it's super clean. So let's go down to the checklist. Let's continue with the checklist. We're done with identifying. We just invert the chart just now. And let's compare. Compare various data. You have to compare various data. And done with the inversion. And let's compare data. And the low is there. And the price pushed down a little bit. Give us this double bottom. Then what happened? The price skyrocketed from there. So looking forward to buy. Price have been going higher for a while, so expect it to continue trending upside. Maybe after a little pullback. Yeah, tomorrow pullback, then to continue buying. I also expect EU to what? Continue selling as well. Now let's compare the data. Do we still have the same eye here? Yes. Same eye there. Same eye. 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 Now let's check AJ. Have a low here. How low is it? And then at the close here, there's that little pimba, but it is not big enough for me to choose it. And here, it is big enough. It shows there's a pimba. The price shoot out, then we pull in again. It shows here. It shows here. It shows here. You can see it clearly here. You can see it clearly here too. Not really, but it shows here. Now let's move on to the next note list. Okay, match the identified setup narrative with the previous playbook data. Okay, I think I've done that with EU. This compare EU to this data here. See, we have our I at this spot, and the price is rejecting at that spot. There's another one here again. We have our I here. Compared to this, you see it's almost the same reciprocal of what happened there. And the funniest part about that one is okay, no. So we have this I, then we have rejection, then second rejection, and third rejection. And this we have first rejection, the second rejection, and the third rejection at this level. Move down to 50 minutes, you see what I'm talking about. We have the first one here, the second one here, then the third one here. All happened before 2 o'clock. And the same thing here. I think everything happened here early in the morning. So the price fell throughout the whole day. So regarding GU, price started falling in the afternoon, but we had rejection. This is the high, as you can see, this is a high. Then price rejecting those levels. Test again. Yeah, let's check for EJ. I have to check for EJ special. So let's continue. Journal of emotions. No. Is there a plus setup? There's no A plus setup actually, because EJ, I won't say EJ is A plus setup. The reason why I said so is it does not does not almost eat and run. So we have a clean double bottom there. Yeah, shows the double bottom. So what else again there? What else do we need to take? Chain of emotional feeling action journal. That's video. Then the remaining ones are fill in the narrative details below while analyzing. Label the narrative and its type. I think I labeled it some. You fill it below here. Yeah, this is where I want you to fill it. So I'll fill that after this video. I don't want to take too much time. So what else again? Okay, the playbook data, comparing the playbook data. So I will do that after this video. Thank you. Uh, connect again tomorrow.